So what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna be making me some Graziano sandwiches. So I've got a 1 pound of Graziano's sausage, and I've got 2.5 pounds of 85% beef. Going to throw in this hamburger. This Italian sausage. Old Bay seasoning. Black pepper. Just enough to give it some flavor. It's got some black pepper here. Peppercorn. By the way, happy 4th of July, wherever you are. So I'm going to cook this up, and we'll be back. Well guys, I've got the Graziano sausage and the hamburger cooking here. So here's the meat. I've got 85% ground beef, and I've got off-brand Italian sausage, and I've added some water to the meat for moisture. If you want to leave me a comment, tell me if I should have or if I should have just cooked it dry. I use pan spray to spray the pan. So yeah, this is what the meat looks like. I'll see you guys in a bit. So hi guys, I'm going to make some Graziano sandwiches. Here I've got some Rotella's hoagie buns. They already come pre-sliced. I got some Velveeta cheese. 16-ounce box. And I've got the Italian sausage and 85% hamburger here. So here's my block of cheese. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start by adding the cheese. So I'm going to cut off some cheese here. Open up the bun and just start spreading away. It's a little tougher than I thought. So guys, I preheated the oven to about 350. I've got the sandwiches rolled up, and we're going to stick them in the oven for about 45 minutes and just let them cook. So welcome back, YouTube channel. Here is the outcome of the Graziano sandwich. I put it in for about 50 minutes, and you can see here it's nice and crispy, and it's ready to bite.